Hello, Paul from EMD Automotive. Just want to show you this 997. I've cranked the engine over a few times and you're going to see there's no fuel leak from the back here, which is good news, very good news. I've got 5 bar and I can actually increase the pressure to about 60, 70, 90 bar, I think. I can see it increasing when I crank the engine. But I didn't want to start today. It's very hard to start. And the biggest problem with something like this is I think I'm going to remove the spark plug out tomorrow and check sometimes because this car's been cranking for a long time. Because before you can crank it but it doesn't start, so the spark plug must be really, really foul. That's why it's not firing. It's trying to fire but doesn't want to fire. It's looking like it wants to fire. It wants to fire but it's not firing. I've got no fault codes on the actual DME, which is a good thing. Just got to remove the exhaust. This just a part of the exhaust and remove the spark plug out and actually check it for foul or anything wrong with it. So just want to show you anyway what I mean. Alright. You hear that? That's enough. Here we are, looking at the actual fuel. There you go. There's your fuel lines. Nothing on the floor. Dry. Alright. So it must be the spark plug's fouled on this one, that's why it's not firing. Fuel pressure is building up but not firing, so and the actual compression sounds good to me when I crank it, but there's no fuel leak from here, which is a good thing for now. Nothing on the floor. Usually you crank it and you see fuel right all over the floor here and around there somewhere on the pump and the fuel lines all over the place. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.